We got one.
What is this?
Got another one. G-Vano. Chicopee, Mass. Yeah, it's hot, dude.
Yeah,
Did you burn your stomach?
It got me warm.
Sleazy Company. Should we make a shirt that says Sleazy?
We must.
Let's try. Let's see what it is. It smells like knucklehead parts to me. What do you think? What do you think it is, Paul? Bags of coffee. Anthrax. Craig, thoughts, questions?
Uh-oh. Ruined.
Well, they taped it like very well.
Build me a bike.
Build.
Sending you these 2 gaskets.
Start off with the gaskets. All right. Thank John and Craig. Thanks for keeping the chopper shit alive in this shithole. Damn. In this shithole state. Your YouTube channel is hilarious, and I don't miss a video. Here's some shit I won't use, and well, your shop is looking empty. LOL. By the way, John, you may not remember, but you bought a purple panhead project from my grandfather. Oh, that's that panhead. That motor and tranny.
What a wild world.
This is wild. That motor and tranny, and I had a purple frame. That's it.
I don't remember a purple frame.
Remember the purple frame? I traded it to Junior for the knuckle frame.
Oh, yes.
For my girlfriend's grandfather last year. He has since passed away, but loved the Eazy Co's work. Damn, dude, that dude was rad as hell.
This is crazy.
That's wild. Panhead.
Go show him the bike that it is now.
Yeah, we'll pan over to it. Well, the video last week. That motor is your girlfriend's grandfather's motor. Panhead gaskets.
Nice.
Corbin.
That's sweet.
Corbin Dallas multipass. Whoa.
What is that? Is that like
This is like a transfer.
Oh, man.
Ride to live, live to ride.
I think they used to give those.
Is that the next shirt?
That might be the next shirt.
Sleazy Co? BJ's Cycle Service. This is his shop. This is the old man's shop that he was talking about, that I got the pan motor from.
Didn't we go to a BJ's?
Nice.
Picker.
Nice. Excellent. Love it. Can use it.
What is it?
Hydraulic brake light switch.
Nice.
Nice. What? Hey, tune-up kit for a Harley. 58 to 69 XLC. Okay, nope. I was hoping it was distributor stuff. Nope. Nice. Oil fittings. All right. That's actually pretty good. Biker's Choice. Slimline oil filter kit. Okay.
That's neat.
That's cool. That's cool. What?
Passenger peg for a big twin.
Huh?
That's a passenger peg for a big twin.
Yep, this is a passenger. This is a riser. What?
Is that the purple?
That's the purple, dude.
That's crazy.
With the choke. That's a big distributor cap.
No, that's a style.
It's a distributor cap. Nice. Sick. Something's wrapped.
That's to make the pots fit when you don't know.
Dude, nice. Battery box cap.
Was this in there?
File.
A
That's in there.
file.
Another file. This is all good shit. Thanks, Greg. Shout out to Greg's girlfriend's grandfather.
Thanks, Greg.
Numero padre figlio Spirito Santi.
Okay.
Peace. Oh, wait. Nice. You gotta help me lift this. There's no chance I got it in me. No, that doesn't even matter.
How's your back?
It's an Ironhead, dude.
How's your back?
Smile, you have to lift an Ironhead.
That's not funny.
Oh, dude, this is gonna work, bro. This is gonna work, bro.
I think it'll work.
I think it'll work.
I don't mind that oil thing.
I don't mind it either. We'll get the motor in, I'll tack it in place. See that? Oh, made it.
Oh.
It's no, I gotta file it. It's that little wonk. We got some wonk going on. We interrupt this important broadcast to tell you to go to throttleaddiction.com. Okay? Click the link in the description. Is there a link up?
Right there.
Click the link here.
Somewhere right there.
Somewhere in this area. Click it. Go to it. Buy the hardtail because it's the best hardtail on the market. Get the parts because they're the best parts on the market. Wear the clothes because they're the best clothes on the market. Okay? Like and subscribe. Click the link. If you own a 79 Ironhead, throw it in the trash. A file works in one direction.
File this content under
Boring. All right, so we're gonna go On the
Roll it
cart.
to the roll.
Cart to this to in.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ready?
Oh, this is gonna come off.
All right, I'll hold it rapidly. Hell yeah. Ooh, okay. Ooh, there it is. When in doubt, eyeball it.
Works every time.
Always.
That's off.
Off what?
Filter.
Now. Oh my god, we're running out of power. God, got a sharp fucking drill bit in the house. What's up, dude? You ain't gonna sell your pan for below market value?
What the hell? Is that how you get all the deals?
That's right. Shoot them up. We're building this, we're putting this iron together to sell at Stafford Springs tomorrow. So, what if someone comes up to me and is like, yo, dude, what's up? This is like a really cool Ironhead chopper project. I want to give you my knucklehead motor for it. I'll be like, shh, I'm gonna need some money on top. What's up, dude? Japanese style? Classic.
It's hard to say.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a headache. I got BL'd last night, dude. Too many BL seltzers. Someone on YouTube told us to stop smoking cigarettes and start working out.
Yeah, I saw that. It was an old man.
I will not listen to him.
It's probably sound advice.
It's super sound advice, yeah.
It will release
Thanks for
right before the show.
It'll release the day before the show.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Fuel Cleveland. Come see us. Come see the Panhead. We're gonna be out there slanging stuff. I don't know what kind of stuff, but we're gonna be slanging it, you know? Come at it. Come to it. Come at it. Come at us.
Sure.
Virginia City Chopper Show!
Virginia City Roundup.
Virginia City Roundup!
There you go.
We'll get better at it.
You need this, huh?
Dude.
How does it feel to want?
I'll go get another piece.
Cool.
I need to use stainless anyways.
Do you?
Well, it's a stainless bong.
Then why would you use this?
Why not? Ah, it's too narrow! Fuck! Did we all see that coming?
Yep.
We both knew that.
I did that. That was me.
How to build a bike in 6 hours or less.
Yeah, seriously. Get on that. Mount that steed, Steven. Yeah?
I feel pretty comfortable.
Wow, dude, I could see you going to California on this thing, bro. Wow, look at you.
Virginia City Roundup.
Here we go. Eee, invited builder.
I'm pretty comfortable.
That's good. Built for a big man. You know? Built for a big guy. So excited. I'm so excited.
I didn't even see it.
Boom. A masterpiece.
Master P.
Master P would be proud. Did it. Did it. Dude, all I can smell is that speed stick.
How did it go?
We did all right.
Yeah?
Not great. I mean, we definitely came back with some more stuff.
More than what we had.
No, I got rid of a lot of shit, but we definitely have the Ironhead still. So
It's dark in here.
it's dark in here and there's no light. In here though,
What do you got?
treasures.
This is treasure box?
And here's where this is the treasure box. This is the treasure zone. Should we attack this first?
Yeah. Treasures.
Got this and that from fucking Smelters, dumbass. Loser. All right, let's see here. What do we? Here we go. Here we go.
Tony
Here
Stokes.
Here she is.
Stony Tokes, we're using these blankets very wisely.
That's right. Look at this little
Wow.
piglet. Look at it. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Lenny, 72. Paul, you know Lenny?
72?
Look at that.
Oh,
over there.
look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Real Frisco now.
Real deal, baby. It's a real sty inside it, but I don't care. Can you see anything?
Nope. No, you
That's
don't.
right. Wait.
Paint
That's
chips.
right. That's how you really know it's from 72. Yeah. Not bad, huh? Thanks, Brent. All right, let's get her. Oh,
What is that?
look at this. Look at this. This is a 1936 knuckle case. First year. First year. See that right there?
Dude, it's not even...
It's, dude, it's mint. It's fucking mint. Look at it. The breather gear isn't even fucked. Go ahead, Paul. Get your mitts on there. I know you want to look at it. Don't worry about the price. Get the price right on. Get your mitts right on there. If anybody has a number side that they'd like to send us, 1936 number side, let us know. Blam. Teddy, you got one? No. Shut your mouth.
We need one.
We need one. We're looking. We're searching. Okay? This has got to go somewhere safe. This is for sale.
Now you can do the for sale part.
Oh, for sale. 35 dual disc for sale.
All this stuff is for sale,
All that shit's for sale. Come get it.
but do you know it's free?
To like and subscribe.
Thank you. So like and subscribe. Say it.
Like and subscribe.
That's right.
That's it, right there. Yeah, like and subscribe.
A free membership to the channel is free. It is free. A free membership to the channel is free. Okay? Like and subscribe. Love and subscribe. Live and subscribe.
Right here.
That's right. Like and subscribe. There'll be an arcing like and subscribe above me, right,
I'll
Craig?
sure handle that.
Like and subscribe to the channel, to life. Like and subscribe. Buy our merch. Come to Fuel Cleveland. Come to Fuel Cleveland, November 6th in Cleveland. Okay?
August 26th. Virginia City Roundup.
Virginia City Roundup, August 6th, 2022.
Cool.
It's like a year away.
2022.
It
It's a year away.
close.
It's just about a year away. We'll hopefully have this bike done by then.
Thank you, Throttle Addiction.
Thank you, Throttle Addiction. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.